and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscription button and also remember to turn on your post notification bell so when I release a video you will be the first to receive the content from my channel. Guys, so in today's video I am going to draw some sorrel. So I'm going to show you how I do the drawing of my sorrel. Guys, before we start draw the sorrel, you know, first thing I have to catch up the fire first, right? So I hit where there now. And I use the fork here and see if I can catch up the fire. Yes sir. Another great one, You know, Christmas is a very traditional thing in Jamaica. You know, where our family come together and we cook, eat, party, whole heap of food, sorrel, curry goat, chicken. But this year now with the coronavirus, I'm not sure how that one gonna work out, guys. Nevertheless, I will always try to deliver good content. That's the most important part about my channel, me giving good content. Sunfly is biting. That's one thing I hate so much. Sunfly, otherwise called butlers. Fire salt out, you know. So I'm taking little time and finish ketchup. Fire ketchup. So adding some water in the draw the sorrel. Guys, we have the ginger and I'm using some cinnamon leaf along with the stick on it. So with the ginger, I'm just using this amount of ginger based upon how strong I would want the ginger to be in the sorrel after it has been finished draw. So I check on the water, you know, see what I go on in the pot. And the water get hot. So the water boil up, you know. I go add in the cinnamon leaf along with the stick on it. I add the ginger. I go make them boil for about 2 minutes before I actually add the sorrel in. This is the sorrel. So what I'm doing now, I actually wash it one time already. So I'm gonna wash it again in some more clean water before adding the sorrel into the pot. Ginger and the cinnamon smell good already, guys. So just wash them off. And then we're making them boil together now. Basically we are drying the sorrel now. Yeah, good to go. So it go on So I'm gonna cover him up now and give him some more time. Go and boil up back. So I'm checking on the sorrel one more time. Guys, can you see the richness of the sorrel? Look at that. Oh wow, it is smelling so good too. So fire go and blaze. I give it a little bit more time for you go and boil some more. Check back on the sorrel now, guys. So done boil to my perfection. How me want it, so I'm gonna take off, and make it continue steam. So after I finish steam, I'm gonna leave it at least 24 hours, or I can even leave it for more. I can stay there before I strain it off and sweeten it. Guys, welcome back. 2 days now since me draw the sorrel, so I'm not get to strain it off yet nor anything. So today I go strain it off and I go show one of the step. But before me even jump into the video, guys, and I see that, I say Merry Christmas, guys, to each and every one. Thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. I really appreciate the love and the support, and the comment is what stood out the most when you guys comment on the videos. I really appreciate it, guys. So a lot of great things is gonna be coming in 2021. A lot of great videos, a lot of great rural vlogs. You know, hear me I telling about them from a couple months now, guys. So we're gonna start work on them for y'all, and some more market videos, because you guys love the market videos so much. So I'm gonna work on all of the stuff that you guys tell me that you want to see on the channel. I just want to know if you keep safe throughout the rest of 2020 to into 2021. Guys, please wear your mask, please sanitize, please practice social distance. So for the sorrel now, I use some overproof rum, as me say. I use some brown sugar. Some people use honey, but I prefer use the brown sugar with the overproof rum, because the overproof rum now, it will help you add flavor to the sorrel drinks, and it will help you keep the sorrel, which will preserve the sorrel. So even 2022, even if I not choose to done my sorrel drinks for Christmas, I still can have some straight back to 2022. So that's how I go on. So today I go see. Guys, can you see? Can you see that? Look at the richness of the sorrel drinks. Yeah, man. So I'm going to strain them off, I'll clean the basin. So I'm going to strain off the drinks. The sorrel drinks. Basin. Yes, sir. Sorry, they are wicked. So these are the wallet fry night. We boil out and draw, whatever you guys think. I'll show off everything, I don't leave none. Guys, you know, see me, right? So I'm going to sweeten the drinks now. I'm going to add the rum in a hit. And the rum I'm going to add now, I base up off of how strong me want the alcohol for taste in the sorrel drinks. See with the sugar, based up off of how sweet me want the drinks to be. So I go use some brown sugar. Now hit 1, 2, 3. So that are the amount I'm going to start off with first. So I'm going to add some rum in it. Yes, sir. And I go sweeten it on. After me done sweeten it, I go strain it. Ensure that the drugs or the cinnamon stick or any little part are breaking from the sorrel that is in the basin like this. Come on. So we are going to sweeten and we are going to taste. We are going to sweeten and taste. I'm going to just throw some in my cup. So I'm the first one I drink from in it today. So I make one of the seeds, see that? Sorry, drinks have a buzz, guys. You can taste the ginger, you can taste the rum, you can taste the cinnamon in it. Oh my! Just I got to add a little bit more sugar, like about 1 more spoon. So I add 1 more serving spoon of sugar. And I will still add just a little bit more of the overproof rum. So this is the sorrel. Done strain off with the strain and buckle it up. Guys, I go and drink some of the sorrel drinks now. Yes, very good. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe for more awesome videos. And for those of you who want some of the sorrel drinks, you know what to do, man. Drop it in the comment section. I will definitely be sending off y'all own of the sorrel drinks. Okay.